You should quit everything that takes you further away from the life you want, but quit nothing that takes you closer to the life you must have. This is the rule that will show you how to know if what you're doing is right for you. You should never quit those things that take you closer to the life you want, but you should quit everything that takes you further away from it. I want to talk to you today about how you can easily identify if something's right or wrong for your future. It's a very simple rule that will clearly show you if you're heading in the right direction. So if you're unsure if you should be doing something, ask yourself this very simple question. Are there more positives or negatives? Are there more positives or negatives now? And will there be more positives or negatives in the future if I continue down this path? If I continue with this thing, this behavior, this activity, this friend, this relationship, whatever it is, if I continue, will there be more positives to come out of it or more negatives? Will my future be better or worse for having done this? Not just in the immediate future, but in your long-term future. The donuts might give you immediate pleasure, but they will lead to long-term pain if it becomes an uncontrollable habit. Sitting on the couch instead of exercising might seem easy now, but it will make your life much harder than the alternative in the future. Sleeping rather than getting up and spending time in meditation and gratitude might well seem like the best option in the moment. But which path is going to lead to the better you? Which choice is going to make your future better? Some choices might have immediate negatives, but future positives. Working out might seem like the ultimate pain if you haven't done it for a while. There might be feelings of anxiety, there might be physical pain, but there will be many more future positives, and those positives will outweigh the immediate negatives. There's things which don't feel good right now, but will feel good in the future should you achieve them. Those things are worth fighting for. There's things which feel good now. They might be easy now, but which lead to future pain. This might include nights out, drinking, a comfortable job, friends that you've had for a long time but who don't share your ambition. It might be people-pleasing activities. It might even be hobbies that no longer bring you joy, but you do them anyway out of habit or obligation. You can do this for anything in your life. Whatever you're not 100% sure about, grab a piece of paper and draw a line down the middle, horizontally and vertically. In the top left, write negatives now. Top right, write positives now. Bottom left, negatives in the future. Bottom right, positives in the future. Whatever you're thinking about, start filling in the 4 squares. For example, one of your concerns might be drinking alcohol on the weekends. A negative now might be that you're missing out on a good night's sleep that will lead to missed opportunities and productivity tomorrow morning. A positive now might be that you gain some confidence and have a little more fun than usual. Future negatives might include lower productivity, missed opportunities, health problems, lack of fitness, inability to be yourself without relying on substances, wasted time, wasted money, less quality time with quality individuals. Future positives might be small possibility of finding friends or relationship, meeting people. So from that, you would quickly establish that drinking is not good for you. And if you want to live a higher quality life, you will need to sacrifice that for the opportunity to live a life you really want. Giving up a negative habit will feel something like freedom. It will feel like a weight has been released from your back. Continuing a negative habit will feel something like prison. It will feel heavy or uninspiring or a low-level energy. Follow your gut on this. Your intuition will always guide you in the right direction. Think about it. Feel how you would feel if you let go. Feel how it would feel if you were to hang on to it. Project that in the future and you have your answer. Never quit those things that take you closer to the life you want, but quit everything that takes you further away from it.